In both science and spiritual tradition, sound is a powerful medium. Recent studies have shown that specific frequencies can reduce stress, enhance focus, aid sleep, and even support Alzheimer's patients in memory and mood regulation. Your brain has a song, a symphony of electrical impulses and natural rhythms that reflect your emotional, mental, and cognitive state. Known scientifically as brainwaves, these patterns can be influenced and realigned using sound frequencies. Brainwaves, the frequencies of consciousness. The brain naturally operates at 5 primary wave frequencies, each linked to a specific state of mind. External sound, whether through music, binaural beats, or chanting, can entrain the brain into these frequencies. Delta, 0.5 to 4 Hz, are the slowest frequencies, dominant during deep sleep and unconscious healing states. They support physical restoration, cellular repair, and memory consolidation. Theta, 4 to 8 Hz, arise during deep meditation, light sleep, and moments of vivid memory recall. They unlock subconscious processing, emotional healing, and creative insight. Alpha, 8 to 12 Hz, are linked to relaxed alertness, calm focus, and a state of flow. They bridge conscious thought and subconscious awareness, enhancing creativity and learning. Beta, 12 to 30 Hz, dominate during active thinking, problem-solving, and focused mental tasks. They support alertness, logical reasoning, and decision-making. Gamma, 30 to 100 Hz, are the fastest frequencies linked to peak mental performance, consciousness, and memory integration. They synchronize brain regions, supporting learning, insight, and perception. Frequencies can be delivered via binaural beats, sound healing instruments, voice work, or brain music therapy. Brain music therapy, BMT, your personalized brain song. Brain music therapy, BMT, is a clinical approach that transforms your brainwave data via EEG into calming piano music. This personalized music gently guides your brain back into a balanced rhythm, supporting overall well-being by Delta, promoting deep rest and physical healing through delta waves for sleep restoration. Alpha Theta, easing anxiety and enhancing emotional calm via alpha, theta waves. Alpha, reducing stress with soothing alpha frequencies. Beta, gamma, enhancing focus, memory, and mental clarity through beta, gamma wave activation. Alzheimer's disease and the power of musical memory. Music activates emotional and auditory memory circuits that often remain intact even when language and logic decline in Alzheimer's. Familiar music, especially from early life, can spark recognition and connection. Theta and delta frequencies induce calm and reduce sundowning symptoms. Music with structured rhythm improves mood and reduces anxiety. Gamma frequency stimulation, 40 Hz, has shown promise in clearing toxic amyloid plaques in early research. Sound healing spiritual frequency use. Spiritual and vibrational healing traditions have long used specific frequencies and tones for mental, emotional, and spiritual alignment. Some traditions call this your soul tone or vibration of being. And when it's distorted through stress, trauma, or sin, practices like music, prayer, or sacred sounds like Gregorian chant, Solfeggio frequencies are used to bring it back into balance. Some of the sound healing spiritual frequency are as follow. The 174 Hz frequency is known for its powerful pain-relieving and grounding effects. It promotes physical healing by reducing stress, relaxing muscles, and supporting tissue regeneration. 285 Hz is a Solfeggio frequency known to support physical healing and energy balance. It helps repair tissues, reduce pain, and restore cells to their natural state. 396 Hz is a powerful solfeggio frequency that helps release fear, guilt, and negative energy, promoting emotional and physical healing. 417 Hz is a solfeggio frequency known for clearing negative energy and facilitating change. It aids in emotional release, helping the body let go of past trauma. 528 Hz, often called the miracle tone, is renowned for its ability to promote DNA repair, physical healing, and stress reduction. 639 Hz is a solfeggio frequency that enhances connection, harmony, and emotional healing. It supports physical well-being by reducing stress and promoting inner peace. 741 Hz is a solfeggio frequency known for detoxifying the body and mind. It promotes healing by cleansing cells of toxins, reducing pain, and enhancing emotional clarity. 852 Hz is a solfeggio frequency that awakens inner strength, intuition, and spiritual awareness. It supports physical healing by restoring balance, relieving pain, and calming the nervous system. 963 Hz, known as the frequency of the gods, enhances spiritual connection and deep inner healing. It supports pain relief and physical restoration by aligning the body with higher consciousness. Your brain song is not just poetic. It is a real, measurable rhythm. Science shows that through the right frequencies, we can realign brain states, enhance memory, support Alzheimer's care, and experience spiritual healing. Whether through personalized music, binaural beats, or ancient sacred sound truly becomes medicine for the mind and soul.